on, guys? Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with another Sniper Scope video. For those of you guys that don't know what the Sniper Scope is, we would love to have you on the team and tag in bags like we did today. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com or on the Apple Store and Google Play under The Stock Snipers. Now, if you haven't watched one of these videos before, you're missing out. Go check out all the bags we made in the past. The Sniper Scope is a watch list we create every single trading day at 3 p.m. Eastern with up to 5 stocks we believe have the most potential to make you and I money overnight. That's the goal here, is to make money overnight from this watch list. Now, usually we throw 5 stocks on there, but when things cool off and when there's not much out there, we corner ourselves the stock snipers because we only like to shoot at the right target. So for this Sniper Scope, we only put 3 stocks on there, and 2 out of 3 of them ended up working out. This Sniper Scope is a fun one for me because we got to travel, hashtag trade and travel, and go head down to Key West, where we got to enjoy ourselves and enjoy a nice reggae concert. One of our favorite bands, Revolution, was down there with Kambaka Pyramid. Had a great time. And then we got to wake up Money Monday to a reward from this Sniper Scope. And that's where we're going to start. Right here with the first one. This is a stock that we've actually profited off 10 times before in 2020 and a couple more times this year in 2021. And we are back for it one more time. And this is OTC stock CYDY. The stock had an absolutely crazy run in the past, so we know it has legs. And then it was coming up to a multi-month breakout spot of 195, and we were interested in that spot, especially after the nice first green day it was creating and the hold of a 180 spot. With the nice risk intact and with the multi-month highs in head, we decided to throw this on the scope and actually take it overnight and buy it with the snipers at 186, looking to go overnight and get the push to that $2 spot and possibly a gap up. And look what we got. We got to push that same day. We got to push all the way to $2 before even close. So before close, we were up $400 and more than happy, heading to the keys and ready to tag the bag when the weekend is over. And on Money Monday, everybody woke up and was freaking out because the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ was falling. But the snipers were in complete control. Dow down, snipers up, because CYDY was actually showing a slight gap up and above that $2 that we were eyeing down on Friday. And with the 186 buy spot, we felt very comfortable with the $400 plus bag that we had, especially on vacation, enjoying the beautiful Key West weather. So we decided to take the bag within the first minute of trading and taking a total of $450 overnight on CYDY. And if you wanted to be a bit more patient with this one and stick to that 195 cut, this stock actually ended up running, and it ran all the way to 220s and then from 220s to 230s. So big shout out to all the other snipers that were profiting us. Sniper Los made $300 and everyone else in there that was profiting with us. Big shout out. And another big shout out to the next stock that was on the Sniper Scope and all the other snipers that tagged the bag for this one. This is an OTC sub-penny stock, and the sub-penny stocks are higher risk, higher reward, we like to say. But if you have a plan, go for it. And this was a 52-week breakout in OTC sub-penny stock TGGI. Now, we like the way it creeped up to that multi-month highs of 0.0088 and broke past it. But it broke past it a little early for us, and we wanted to dip back to that area during power hour to possibly take it overnight. But it held 0.009 and then pushed and closed the day at that 0.1 penny spot that all sub pennies want to become, is a penny. And this one did close at a penny, so if you did get in, big shout out whoever got to grab TGGI. But if you did miss it, we do have a watch list that we update every single day in the morning before the market, so you can be prepared with this sniper scope in the afternoon and a watch list in the morning. And in TGGI, if you ended up missing the sniper scope opportunity on Friday night, you actually could have bagged it the next morning, where it came all the way down to that exact spot we talked about in the watch list at 0.0088, and then ended up bouncing and going all the way back up to the 1.3 area, closing at 1.34, where you could have made over 30% plus on your money in one day overnight. And what's even better, this thing kept going, and the next day eventually hit 1.5. So that is 50% in your money in 2 days. Like we said, higher risk, higher reward, but that's what this sniper scope is all about. And the last one is the one that didn't work out. And it didn't work out because Bitcoin got crushed over the weekend, and this was a Bitcoin stock. This is a Bitcoin stock that has worked out for us in the past, but to risk from Friday to Monday, you never know what's going to happen in this Bitcoin sector. So with Bitcoin's overall price and different types of current events swinging the price action over the weekend, we decided not to take this one and risk it until Monday, because who knows what can happen. And look what happened here. Bitcoin actually ended up taking about a 10% dip over the weekend, and that usually is a bad sign for any Bitcoin stock out there. And this stock, ARBKF, is a Bitcoin stock that we put on the scope here, so it did not end up following up. But if you stuck to the plan, not much damage was done here, where you could have got in 215, got out 210, lost 5-10 cents at the most. And sticking to the plan and sticking to the number one rule of cutting losses is very, very important in this game, because losses are part of this game. And if you get good at that, you will go very, very, very far in the stock market world. So made this one short and simple. Only 3 stocks on there, but we went 2 for 3, 66% that is. At the end of the day, if you're good at cutting losses, you could have taken all 3 of these and ended up having a really, really nice day there. And that's what the snipers are all about, supporting each other and finding ways to get rich together. Meet me back here next week for another Sniper Scope video. Stock Sniper Mike, out.